I'm Rod Williamson from Omaha, Nebraska. I own a framing contractor construction company. For about the last 10 to 15 years, I've been dealing with shoulder pain in both my shoulders. Chronically, a 9 or a 9.5. I have 2 boys, 2 girls. All of the kids are athletic. It limits being able to, my son's a baseball player, limits the ability to overhand throw things. The arthritis is just overall affected. It started to give me a poor quality of life. And I spoke to the surgeons about having full shoulder replacement. They were telling me that it would be anywhere from 6 months to a year downtime. I still wouldn't have a full quality of life. I would be limited in what I could do, limited in the exercises I could do, the jobs that I could do, what I could lift, what I couldn't lift, and there was no guarantee that I would be able to bounce back 100%. In a week's time frame, I was pretty much pain-free. Before the PRP, before the treatment, I would not be able to raise my arms up past here. The pain was too bad. Now I can reach up and scratch my back, scratch either side. I couldn't reach around behind my back to push my belt through the belt loops with my pants on. Now I can do it pain-free. I can reach up into a cupboard. I can pull a coffee cup out of the cupboard with ease, no pain.
You have zero pain?
I have zero pain.
Wow.
No pain.
Okay.
Get it done. I was a skeptic at first. I wasn't too certain of what the stem cells would do and where they come from. Relatively naive, didn't know the whole process. But I cannot stress upon whoever's listening to this enough that if you have chronic shoulder pain, chronic arthritis pain, chronic knee pain, this works, this helps. And it has given me my quality of life back, quite honestly.